Welcome everyone. My name is Zoe Hurley, and this presentation is a resource to introduce you to the Health Promotion and Health Equity degree program at UW-Madison. In addition to reviewing components of the major and program, we will explore what health equity is, why you should care about it, and what you might do with a career in health promotion and health equity. Again, my name is Zoe Hurley, and I currently serve as the academic advisor for health promotion and health equity students. As your advisor, I'm here to connect you to resources and navigate the HPHE curriculum and the UW-Madison system. On this slide, you'll see my email listed, which is the best way to get a hold of me. Reaching out with an email or setting up an advising appointment through Starfish is a great place to ask specific questions tailored to you. This presentation will just provide a general overview. I will refer back to advising resources at the end of this presentation. The HPHE degree is new as of fall 2019 and is growing really quickly. Unlike similar degrees, our program emphasizes health equity throughout the curriculum, and it's important to know what this term means. The Robert Wood Johnson Foundation provides the following definition, in which health equity means that everyone has a fair and just opportunity to be healthier. This requires removing obstacles to health such as poverty, discrimination, and their consequences, including powerlessness and lack of access to good jobs with fair pay, quality education, housing, safe environments, and health care. The image here is to demonstrate that equality and equity are not the same. So equality means giving everyone the same thing, whereas equity means giving people what they need to reach their best health. So health equity is important because it means increasing opportunities for everyone to live the healthiest life possible. Our major is unique in that it brings 3 School of Education departments together to focus on interrelated areas of physical health, mental health, and disability. This is a really great transition into what are the academics of the HPHE major. So the HPHE major is 40 credits in total. The core courses, or 31 credits, form the main content of the major. So the departments of Kinesiology, Counseling Psychology, and Rehabilitation Psychology and Special Education are providing those core content courses. So building on those skills of program planning and administration, evaluation, clinical communication skills, and then you have your 9 credits of electives. So this is where you're able to tailor your experience, such as maybe you'd like to focus on physical activity, chronic illness and disability, mental health and well-being, social determinants of health, health sciences. The electives are where you have a bit more choice. Not only are you building experience for jobs as health educators and community health workers, but this degree can also serve as a stepping stone to graduate study fields such as public health, mental health counseling, or pre-health and pre-law professions as well. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of health educators and community health workers is expected to grow 16% nationally by 2026. Listed here are sample job titles, such as health coach, health communication specialist, public health information officer, and so on. A lot of these titles may seem unfamiliar. This is absolutely not an exhaustive list of careers. Using tools online or connecting with on-campus resources is a great way to see if some of these careers align with what you see yourself doing after graduation. Maybe you aren't sure what you want your career to be just yet. I've included this slide to describe some traits exemplified by our health promotion, health equity students to kind of see if some of these traits resonate within yourself. So our students are investigators, having the ability to identify health disparities and research best practices to implement change. They're teachers, planning, implementing, and facilitating health practices at the individual and the societal level. And most importantly, our students are advocates, so drawing from personal and professional identities to develop socially just practices and lead effectively within communities of practice. Before I direct you to advising resources and discuss how to declare health promotion and health equity, I wanted to cover some common questions that students often ask. So a lot of students ask, can I double major or complete a certificate in addition to HPHE as a major? The answer is absolutely. There's going to be a lot of room in your degree to add in courses in addition to the 40 credits of your HPHE major and your general education. Currently, undergraduate students from all schools and colleges on campus except College of Engineering may declare HPHE as an additional major. Are there internship opportunities? Currently, there are no built-in internship opportunities to the major, but that does not mean there are not built-in community project experiences, and we're here to connect you to internships. And another great resource within the School of Education is our Career Center, and they help bridge us to internship opportunities as well. And then kind of the last common question is, what is the CHES? So this is a certification that as a health promotion, health equity student, you are eligible to take this exam. It is the Certified Health Education Specialist exam, and this is a national standard of practice for health education specialists. So if this is a specific credentialing you are looking for, the CHES attests to your knowledge and skills and assists employers in identifying qualified health education practitioners. So if this is something you're interested in taking as an exam, you'll receive information from me throughout your time with us. Thank you for taking the first step in learning more about health promotion, health equity through this little informational PowerPoint here. So you might be ready for next steps. Maybe that's declaring the major, or maybe that's exploring a bit more to schedule an advising appointment. I am on Starfish, or you can email me if you can't find a time on Starfish that works for you. You're also able to schedule advising appointments through the School of Education Student Service Advisors, and I've listed their information here as well. So in this declaration appointment, we'll kind of go over requirements, School of Education requirements, and kind of just learning more about each other. And same with an exploration appointment. And if you have any lingering questions or follow-ups that you'd like addressed, please email me, and I look forward to connecting with you. Thanks.